interview. So when you go for your next tour, sir?
Yeah. Next week, Wednesday.
Where and where around the world are you going?
I'm going to Ochi to explain Baratal money.
So anywhere in the UK, anywhere in the...
No. I want my visa and my passport first.
So we have to America and
America, Canada, sometime get me back and I want my passport and my visa. I'm not going back. I want something, I want straight.
So you ever play in Africa yet?
No, New York, Canada.
Only New York or Canada?
Yeah.
Which part of New York?
Up north.
Up north. When you play in Canada, which part of it?
I go to him. So, I don't remember everything. Just take a picture and go in like that.
We have to big up your female fans
Yeah, man.
worldwide.
Big up all my wife in him sentence cascade. New York, then there, Canada, Jamaica. Big up every wife and thing. Called prostitution. And wife name cry. Big up all brain and everybody home in Canada. Yeah.
So you do a song for
Pansy. Yeah, man.
So what the song go?
Me have the song name. Ride down. Don't stop at all. Back up and pat more for me little more. Black and cement, send this in your yard. You want come in a brown yard. You want go broad. Something in a broad. Get it on yard. In a broad. More money me I spend come from broad. You want rich, me now go switch. Me now go switch, me now go switch. When you get it from foreign line. Foreign land, waiting can learn. Then why I'm become yum. That's why me plant yellow yum. That's why me plant so yum. Then why I'm become yum. Cry. Juju, Marcia, Cardia, Julian, you want yum. You want yum. Your mouth bread, you see, you must say alligator, open your mouth. Listen your mouth, not put in a mouth, in a mouth, so me shut out my mouth. Amen, Bushman. One day come back. Thank you. Be your dad.